Assalamu alaikum and good morning with a new lesson in this online session with the new topic silent letters. So silent letters is our today's topic. Dear student, please open page 76 in your phonics and spelling practice book. As usual, I would repeat the 20 words that have been given to us on the top of your page. Wrinkle, kneel, doubtful, neat, limbs, answer, thumbs, wriggle, new, hour, rapper, plumber, honest, non, resign, knives, condemn, wrench, comes, honor. So starting from part A, write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. Sentence number 1, I have the answer to your question. Now on red you can see the answer, but here on purple color you would find that these letters would be silent in pronouncing this word. I have the answer, so W is silent in answer word. So all the silent words I have colored with purple. Sentence number 2, the soldier's action showed courage and honor. So in honor it would be silent. Sentence number 3, call the plumber to fix the kitchen faucet. So plumber, be silent. In the word plumber, be would be silent. Sentence number 4, the brushes and combs were lined up on the dresser. Sentence number 5, I am able to bend my thumbs back to my wrist. So in this sentence we also have another word. Since we have to deal with those 20 words, but you can see in the wrist also W is silent. Sentence number 6, I need a wrench to help me fix this. In wrench, W is silent. Wrench is a kind of a tool by which we pull something. Sentence number 7, don't your knees hurt when you kneel for a long time. Here you can also find kneel, K is silent, while like example number 5 or sentence number 5 we also have another word, knees. In knees also K is silent. Since we have to deal with only the given words, so that's why I did in purple the K in knees. Sentence number 8, I will iron the shirt until the last wrinkle is gone. In wrinkle, W is silent, while wrinkle means fold or crease. Sentence number 9, he will have to go to bed in 1 hour. So hour, each silent. Sentence number 10, it is a known fact that earth both rotates and revolves. Known, K is silent. Moving to part B, write the spelling word that means the same as each word listed below. Word number 11, realize, new. Okay, silent. 12, truthful, honest. 13, press, need. They have the same meaning. 14, disapprove, condemn. So in condemn we have the last word in silent. 15, unlikely, doubtful. So in doubtful, be silent. Leave, resign. In resign, G is silent. 17, jiggle. First of all, we have to get to know the meaning of jiggle: to move from side to side or up and down with quick short movements. That's called jiggle. And the same word wriggle. Wriggle also means the same. So in wriggle, W, which is written in purple, the W, that is silent. 18, sheep, lamb. In lamb, B would be silent. 19, utensils, knives. So knives, K silent. And the last word, covering, wrapper. In wrapper, W would be silent. Dear student, hopefully you would have got those silent letters. And for homework, please complete the following pages as your homework. Pages 79 and 80. Thank you very much and have a nice day.